Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. The lowering links finally came in for the car. I'm gonna lower it like an inch on the front and then like an inch on the back as well. Because right now it's too high. It's like, can fit a whole hand in there. But these are the links, this is what they look like. But install it on like all four corners. This car is lowered. It's a 2012 S550, stage 2 tuned. He's got like no gap right here. And then his front is lowered as well. He's got a little bit more space right here. That's how his car looks. We're in the back of the car right here. And I believe this is the link right here. So we just have to pop it out from this piece right here. And then pop it out from under here as well. But this is what it looks like. Right there. Yeah, that shit did not work, bro. I tried yanking it. Nothing. We looked it up online. It said you have to turn on the car and then put on the highest suspension setting. Maybe that might make it easier. Car is on. And I think we gotta press comfort for suspension and then raise it up. I think it's up. It's up, it's stuck. All right, my boy Chris got the top one out. Now he's about to get the bottom one out. This is what the new link looks like. It's a little bit shorter than the old one. So let's go pop it back in. And then that's it. All right, snapped one of them in. And now we just gotta find where it goes. So it'll pop it in. Heard that? That's in. So now we just gotta do the same thing on the other side. I flipped the car. Now we're doing this side, the passenger side. Right. We're on the passenger side. This is the link right here. This is WD-40 or something. And then we gotta spray it so like the bolt comes out easier. All right, so we took it out. It's kind of hard, but with the help of Chris again, came in clutch for the top one. He took it out from there, and then I took out the bottom one. So now we just gotta install the new link. This is a new one. Just popped back in, pretty easy. Right there. All right, it's in. And then push it in. You hear it click. Like that. Now we're good. And then we're not gonna put the security pins in yet, just in case we have to adjust it. So don't put those little pins. The pins look like this. You don't wanna put those on yet, just in case we have to continue adjusting this. So if we want the car to sit lower. So right now we're gonna put the car back down and test it out. Gotta lower the car. All right, we started up the car a bit. All right, this is how it looks like on this side. It's like kind of tucked. I don't know if I like it though.
Might be too low.
Too low?
Now you got hella space.
Yeah.
Check in there. That's the highest setting.
This is the high setting?
Yeah.
All right, so I guess this is the high setting. This is what it looks like on the lowest setting. You can't stick a hand in no more. And then this side as well. So now we just gotta lower the front. Now we're doing the front side. Should be way easier because the link is like right there. I put a little bit of WD-40 on here.
The shit we did.
What shit we do? All right, it's
video
out.
class?
Chris got it out. He's like W as always. Now it's time to do this side. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I can't take credit for any of this. Chris just took all of them out, so he's been hella clutch. Show some love for Chris in the comment section, please. We did put WD-40 on here, so if you guys are doing this job, just put some WD-40. It might make it a little bit easier. Now I'm gonna put the new link. It's this one right here. All right, it's in.
That's crazy.
This is how it's looking like. The back is looking real good. The front is still a little bit higher. Or we might have to lower. This is like the lowest setting. This is sport mode or sport setting for the air suspension. This is how it's looking. We had to switch locations real quick because it was too hot over there. We were burning up. The whole ground was like lava, bro. All right, now we should be good and comfortable. It's time to raise it more because it's too low. And that one's too high, so we're gonna lower that and then raise this a little bit. There it is right there. Now I'm just gonna pop it out. Oh shit, I think I broke it. Wait, no, I don't think I did. All right, we got the car up and we took off both sides. We made them longer by like 2 more spins. So that should be good. We're gonna test it back out and install it right in there. All right, we're gonna pop it back in. You'll hear it pop. That one's in. Cool. Now, about to do this side. You see it right there. All right, that one's in. All right, we popped it back in. This is on sport setting. This is how it looks lowered in the back. And the front's also low. I think I could lower it a little bit more. That's how it's looking like. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lower the front a little bit more. And I think the back is like fine, like this. We just lowered it. I think this is the final look I'm gonna go for. It's sitting just right. This is in comfort mode, so it's not in the lowest setting yet. I'll show what that looks like right now. And then when you press sport mode, right there, it'll lower the suspension. Yeah, it's lowering. Yeah, I think it's looking real good. Oh yeah. This is how it's looking like. That's pretty good. Also, do not forget to put these safety pins back into the lowering links. Right now I'm raising the car. And then I'm gonna go back under there and put these pins, 2 for each side. And I gotta do the front as well. I have the other pins inside there. Yes. All right, we got it in. Now we just gotta twist it, unlock it. All right, it's in. Finally, so that one's in. The top one is also in, right there. All right, this is the final walk around for today's video with the suspension fully adjusted. This is how it's sitting. I think this is the lowest setting too. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Wow, this is how it looks. Yeah, that should look sick with the sunset. These are the stock links. Let me show you guys. Thumbnail.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.